You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Can come make you change your looks. Or broke up by yourself or Albert. I'm not telling you to my dinner and finish and Albert approve. When you're back, you see him and Quincy, would you just shoot to video one of the landlord? Would you see I can talk in that kind of only people?
Naked woman, lion. The way by Borogibia, this place, what can you call? By right, they're supposed to call this place healing center. Not because Babin Salute. Huh? You see that hair where Quincy take go do that in video?
Where is it for African magic?
No, African magic they say. No, this was the video don't go international magic. Buy intercontinental magic. Buy Asian magic. Even not talking about magic movie now. Everywhere. You got that? All this boy. You know, all you want to do that. In fact, before about this, I was say chaya. I knew this, you knew the drawing, you know. Or the guy saying, well, you should be a war. That is impish. Or God, I got what is chaya. This one is a perfect. Wow! Or rotate here. Whatever Queens, walk Queens. Why can I change from mother? Why can I ship? Why can I from mother? Why can I put her up? Things are very, very happy. God, come go do that video with every happiness and joy. Okay. So, everybody now, this place, carry come. Now, the name of this boy supposed to be Sabinus. Because this boy now, now what did this boy be? You understand? Now Sabinus, this boy will treat you well. He will pour you, so see that make him pour you.
Come from one day in Olia, Abu naked one mama. You know where would they come from? One day in Badalia, Abu naked one mama.
Now that, make sure see that head, nice. You move Queens, yeah, you Queens. But man, carry him a Queens. Go on with the passport to do Queens.
You don't tell. I know the film for production again. I been not the do film again.
You see me now. One a better say better now, and then
Naked one mama. Wait. Since what we did for this place, when I just hug on ourselves, they talk plenty things. Settle, when I don't talk. Come put us into deaf and dumb mood. We don't talk. We don't even know what's in the happen. This person, where you dey hug, like a man who just married a new wife, you dey hug him. Who this person be? Introduce Go! You like the Roscoe. I'm not telling you say they play blood. Go! Neyimba just score now against Man U. Messi no even play anything for there. See, make I tell you. You see, when I done there since they agree. So they don't tell us, put us into death and don't move. Introduce this person when they greet like this. Introduce and give us. And introduce us, give to this person. Make we know.
My first tell you, we be. You know that time when they do movie? Say they do PA for movie. When they push generator, now generator. Now me and this guy, Songito. You no need to explain much. You give them what they Him at that time, na movie industry. That time for movie industry. Tell him. Now me and this guy, they do PA work. You know, say for PA, you get many branches. They get technical PA, they get welfare coordinator. And that technical they do. Now they see the drawing, they enter technical. Now if that Marshall line, IG line, Nkorodo, Fayogo City. You know the latest now? I don't graduate from PA level. The production manager did now.
Let me don't climb.
PM. I'm a sofa. If you see me, they do breakdown these days. He go here.
Now, you don't get room now.
And they tell you.
Is it that my wife they tell you now? That don't change. Let us sign me now.
It's you.
It's sign me now.
You mean now?
Just one line.
No be lie. You know say that music is the sing all the way.
That's that case number one flashback.
Hey.
You say you and this guy that time when they do PA for movie industry, all of them they push wheelbarrow generator for movie industry. Is there very obvious say that time corona because the way on a Biabia take day on a two the same pattern of Biabia, it be like say suffer. Build a house for nobody. Settle when I don't see money take go buy clipper. Land one.
You carry bread, they work out for you without work, you chop and go. Say the
From PA.
You enter PM.
From PA, you enter PM. What do you see for P?
Bros, live on like that. Live on. See, make I tell you. You know, say I come here make a bar.
Which bar?
No, I come here, I give myself skin cut. But as I see you like this, so I they follow you, they go anywhere where you go. You don't say, they don't understand. I don't make
No, Babi.
No.
That's cool, man.
Yes. Everything is nice and cool.
So what about the stuff? Ready for delivery?
Very much ready. Very much ready. Yes, the package is ready for delivery, boss.
No matter what you do. No stories.
Yes, boss.
No messing around. And Anya?
Boss, I promise you this. There will be no mess up. We're on point. Yes, all the checking points, we are there. We're on point. All the checking points.
Udo? Walian. Dama. Where is Naked?
Okay, Naked. Naked is naked in his apartment.
What is he doing inside this room?
Naked. You know, boss, you know, when the software is heavy, it's either you do system reboot or your computer or laptop or phone will explode. So when the system is higher than the boxers, what you need to do is store an album. You understand what in Igbo calls agu? Toya na agu.
Diamond.
Yes, sir. Eh?
Go and get naked.
Yes, boss. Eh? I should go and bring naked.
Make sure you bring naked. Down here, naked.
I should make sure I bring naked. Naked. So now that small thing where you take last night, they keep you for this condition where you take. And naked. Only that small thing. The thing don't throw you off balance. Say you don't know, say they don't break. Let not touch your pocket no carry a broom and all. Sam. See, stand up from that place. Go answer Oga call. Chairman they call you.
Cha.
Cha.
Is that?
Chairman. No, Charity. Chairman they call you. Go answer Chairman. Yeah, they sleep. See, double and I they come out now. So go answer Chairman.
Double.
Single.
You go away.
Go away.
You come out.
I don't know.
Double.
Single.
Chairman. Hey. I get back on double chairman. Naked though. The naked man, the future king, you know. Yeah, I did. Guess what? The day la kugo. I said no kugo. What does that mean? It means if I call no kugo. What I said is that the day has been signed. Go dress up. You go dress up. We're hitting the studio right away for you to do your first recording. You know, you gotta get in there in the studio and begin to bust it like, hey, hey, boss, what will I do without you, Sam? What will I do? What will I do without you? Hey, mba, I go Binia. Get up. Binia! Hey, let me tell you, come go here. Hey, come go something today. Do you know who you are? Do you know what the future says? Look at the sky. What do you say? Blue. Oh, blue. Blue. No. Everything is bright. That is your future. Tomorrow is going to be so bright for you. By the time you hit the end over, I will go and get dressed. You know, I'm going to dance on that, Baba. You know, this and that, you know. But the most important thing, I'm going to tell you, go. You know, the guy got booed. Very important. Yes. I go.
I'll see you.
Why? Who be that? Who be that?
Open door, make a pass there. Which kind of
What can I eat? Yeah, I don't look for who from here. Who they look for?
Which kind of question be this one now? Where did they bring this one? Have you not known me for this house?
I don't know you. You be who? I don't know, sir. I go identify myself for this gate before I go pass enter my Oga house. I don't know the place I come. This place is a flat place. What like Kariani? I identify myself now. I'm going to now house.
I beg you, don't do. See, I don't come here to begin drag with you. What did they bring this kind of thing now? Auto waiting. Eh? See, make I tell you, if you be GM for here as gate man, you get where be PM, that is production manager, for movie industry, Nigeria. You dey feel me? Now me self, the condition superstar self, they make them up. They give them props. If it's needed though, you can't hear them. See, come up for here before I go flood stretch mark, enter for your body. This thing is based on Marshall line, IG line from Korodo via Ayogo City. Come up for here before I go flood stretch mark, enter for your body.
Kashigan kali kabazen chikan yankaba. You like it, they make it go right, they make it style, they make anybody. No, it concern me. In that one, we have some other money. Okay, this place is not in Hollywood. Wallahi tallahi.
Here na target, Abi. Here na target. If not be for one thing, I forgive you 10 oka made for your back. Instanta. And they tell you true. I beg come off.
I know him. You don't know him. But I don't know him.
No, my friend now.
I don't know him.
Tell her make he hide him face, so. Tell her if you don't get money, hide him face. See this, not be say carry go. Not say human.
Sir, wallahi. I get to luck well, wallahi. I know my brother when I come, wallahi, I know pass with this gate, I know identify myself. Damn brother overcome. Sha. Some the keka sensi, keka chisa. Kabari wallahi go ben. Nyanka kako ikeshe keda.
Man, no. Not be smart, not over here. So if I leave now, yeah, we're gonna for you and the man for 5.
Like say this your guy dey sneak.
Huh?
Because the way they look like one animal with a long neck. I can't dey wonder whether they sniff.
He said, "It's money man sniff."
Yes.
So, I'm not sure this will be good for you. But God go in a show. You have to go in a show. It's not good for you, babe.
Why they talk like that now? Now what for you? No, the guys, all of us be to sniff. And they do this thing. He don't no they preach me. Don't they? And they do am. And they do am. My name supposed to be sniff. Oh. I just say make I leave that one first. Wrong song go name before I go come switch enter sniff. And they tell you, the way your head they carry, now my own no go carry am. You get big head pass me. I beg knock me sniff, make a sniff. No, they listen to this my guy.
Well, I'll give you something to make you test.
Where you go pick this thing?
Where go put her for nose abi? Then I go lock her up.
Okay.
Carry my head. I don't do it now. No be this thing. You know the thing. Now.
Ay, give me a book when I dig money.
Go bring that food for kitchen. Go put down.
For kitchen?
No, go for a full market.
Another one I need. Don't see as I take her. I take her even pass you now when they take us. This one not make you fear me. I dey tell you. Now this kind of thing, now it happen for Marshall Line, IG Line and via Yogo City. I dey tell you, 10 oka made for person back instant. Give me another one, self, maker.
You want another one?
Raw? Me raw self, and again, I don't want to make you put inside. Raw.
Guy. Take.
No. Another one again.
You said?
Wait first, I dey find where I go peace. I want peace. You get as my sister, they do I dey like if I dey peace. Bros, I dey like if I dey peace. Make breeze dey enter from our Oyoro. You understand?
Okay, they ask where you go peace. Very simple. And they lie if you dey peace, make breeze dey enter your Oyoro. It's okay. I get one better place where we say the breeze they combine with AC. The name of the place na mortuary. If you enter there, the kind of AC will go blow your wall. You go like her. If you come up for that gate where they walk like this now, you get one keke where they enter the keke. Tell us say they go or go. From there, you go drop you for government house.
I go call you for food.
If you reach government house, call your father.
You see, Highness? Huh? You see that guy, that guy dey on serious Johnson Joanna.
No be there open man say they sniff. Say they be sniffers. Now they don't see sniff, they don't feel sniff again. So now this boy dey. So the food wey we say make you come bring, na you they bring the food. Yeah? You keep all of us waiting for that place to come bring food. Now this place where you just come position. Naked.
Song.
So this is the food we asked you to come and bring.
I don't have microwave. The microwave.
The microwave. Which food is the microwave?
The microwave.
So we all of us there for that place. They wait for you, make you bring food for us. If you have more truckles, yeah. See, make I tell you, stand up for this place. Go give us our food. I don't advise you. Anyone where you know, the one where we say you don't they used to, your body system don't they acclimatize with that. Continue to take that one. No go they take the one where we say we big pass you. Now see the one where you go take now we big pass you. See the condition where you put you. See the condition where you place you now. Or then don't come on. See, make I tell you, as I come up for this place, they go back to where we did. They wait for this food. Make sure they carry this food. They come now. Okay. Carry this food. They come. He said, food. Holy some. Holy communion. Spoon.
Now here asleep.
They ask me I sleep here. You don't know say yesterday I dey here. They ask me. Now here I sleep, man.
Wait, tell me the truth. Now here asleep.
Okay, katashi katavia na. Katashi katavia na.
I hear me sleep. Song. Wait, he said I hear asleep. Me, production manager for Nollywood industry. He said sleep for here. Why get better mattress for house? Oh, see as I take for my hand. See as I take for my hand. Hey! So if to say movie industry, people see me now, they for stop me to the break script down. They look for location.
I don't concern me.
Hey! This is a case of Marshall Line, IG Line from Korodo via Yogo City. Hey! Hey! So they get man, come wake me up. So see as you take your career. Hey! Now here sleep through as in a I don't know. Hey! Marshall Line, IG Line from Korodo.
Baby, I must confess, oh, your loving make me to jump fence, oh, I love you, girl, don't be offense, oh, she fine like me,
mama, go like ya, she fine like me, mama.
Bros. See, you listen. I don't know see this.
Don't Papa J anything. I just say anything. Huh? You don't tell what I start to sing now since 1999. But now because of Kazotana, Resolute, now why you see me there? Because all these producers, DJ, I know say you don't get the experience. Shows if you don't get money, and I work in Anna. You don't go fit record track. So that insult, I get a Simba, say make I find money, make I go also before I go come to do music. That's how it's not tell you. I'm surprised to see you here because I know say you know the day where men they came and left because
we don't see like I try come close to you. At least you go span me because they close to ball, you know. But I don't know how I want to take, you know, me to finally I don't meet you see what I think.
You see, Papa J now one man will say, he need the like. In fact, anything we consign movie, Papa J know the take here and that one. But if you see music, any kind of music, as long as the music makes sense, call Papa J will answer you one hand. Another thing where you could be happy about is say Papa J don't sign you. You understand? As he don't sign you like this, the most important thing where you could do now to apply humility. Just make sure say you the good well package. Because Baba J, where you see, Baba J now somebody will say in the observe. Even though they look you like say, you know they look you could say Baba J, I know the way you did. If they observe. Baba J now kind of person will say, I go there for banana, or I there for plantain. You go there look banana, or I there for plantain. The only thing you do is to make low. Relax yourself, they go there. Everything you do, like all your activity, do them in a good way. Only Baba J himself will bless you, and only you alone will eat the blessing in the end. You got that?
I get back on money. Like give me a this man never ofuma. Ifuru donje na kukwaku. Ifuru donje they do well.
You too much.
Oh yeah, clear for donje.
This guy is good, man. This guy is good. Naked in one, mama. You are good. You too much.
You know, it's not just good. The guy is not only good. This guy is
Bunch of talent.
Too good.
and for being this good, this guy is coming into the company.
You sign him. Wagam. You sign him. I said it now. See, I the reason I say, that guy, see, Don J left all this fine punani. Because he won't sign this guy. Now see what it is. No, this guy is talented, man. Naked one, mama. You're too much.
But come on, let us digress a little, just a little.
Nine way.
Don J, there is this particular punani, this pretty damsel that you used to pull around with. Where is that girl?
Which way?
What? Don J, why you talk like this, Kakaki? Don J get over 1,000 girls. Girls plenty everywhere. I ain't gonna keep count. Which of the girl you talk about?
There is.
Why I'm asking him the question.
Oh.
Because he's supposed to know that.
So many fishes in the river.
See, there's this peculiar sweet girl that used to come to location with.
Wait, Kakaki. You mean that actress?
You don't come now.
Okay, that girl they acting. Don't you know that slim girl now? Where they acting? Where acting with Kakaki the other time? Kakaki try put head for her. You know that girl?
That's so now.
Are you talking about the one that acts?
Beautiful.
It's old layer now.
I'll lead them.
Watch me.
Good leg.
Chineke me.
Overboard.
Number one.
Laid aside.
Good leg.
Why now?
Because the Punan is trying to control Aya. Not just controlling Aya and the Onto. She also wanted to control the business.
No.
See you.
Seriously?
She told me specifically not to sign naked on our contract.
Wait,
She the mad.
she said make you not sign naked. Naked one mama.
Enemy of progress.
Talent, this talent.
Naked. She the crazy.
Don J Records. No, now. She can't do that.
The moment I heard this from her, I called her and she looked at me and I said, can you turn around? And she did. I said, what do you see? She said she sees the door. So I told her, I go, Wawa door.
Wagam.
That's so.
Wagam.
I believe you.
Wagam.
Fall out.
I believe you, Don Baba J.
She now.
You better take nonsense.
She.
Don J.
Isi Donje na kukwaku.
Sabi boy.
Oh yeah, clear road for Donje.
Down the way, Sabi.
Oh yeah, stand up.
Oh yeah. Don Baba J.
Stand up.
Don Baba J. Don Baba J. Please. Don Baba J. Please. Don Baba J. Please. Don Baba J. Don Baba J. Oh my man. Oh yeah, too much. Nothing to you. Everywhere to you.
Because
Nothing to you. Everywhere to you.
everywhere.
Everywhere soft.
Everywhere, girl.
Make it like talent. One mama.
Boss. Once again, we're sorry, sir. I promise you this. It won't happen again.
And the two of you, get out.